So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in touchpad settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your touchpad is on. You can now adjust the cursor speed right here. You can make it faster. You can also expand taps. You can make this high sensitivity or you can make it most sensitive. Just play around with all these options and then see if that works for you. We can also go to Bluetooth and devices. We're going to scroll down and then click on mouse. You can adjust the mouse pointer speed right here. You can make it faster. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your laptop is fully up to date. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your touchpad. Mine is in human interface devices. I'm going to expand it. Here's my touchpad right here. You can right click on it and then click on update driver. Once you click on update driver, you want to select search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to copy and paste the file path, which will be down below in the description. Just highlight it, do Ctrl+C to copy it, come back to registry editor, and now on the top right here next to computer, you want to click and you want to paste that file path that we just copied right now. Do Ctrl+V to paste it, and then click on enter, which will now bring us to here. You can also follow the file path if you want to, it's up here. Make sure that you're now in the PrecisionTouchPad folder. And now once we're here, you want to double click on AAP threshold. And now in this box right here, make the value data 0. So make sure that you have the number 0 in this box and then click on OK. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.